all the way from over the pond. A company building watches in, was it Besançon, France? Belvans Watch Company was generous enough to send me this one, and I don't have to send it back. Haha, what a treat. Let's get a bird's eye view of the Heritage Rose Gold by Belvans Watch Company. You know what? I'm not going to lie. I'm not the big casual dress guy. I'm a tool watch guy, but I'm really going to have to be objective and give you some good feedback about this watch. I like it. Right away, the specs, I'll give them to you. I'll post them up there. We'll do the top down. We'll show you the unboxing. It came like this in this special looking box. Yeah, wow, top-notch stuff here. I'm Ross. Thanks for coming to the channel. Appreciate the support. Those of you who are new to the channel, my wrists are 7¼ inches. I'm actually wearing the Belvans Heritage right now. I'm not a dress watch wearer, like I said. I'm a tool watch lover, but guess what? We're going to give this dress watch a shot here. And oftentimes, my choice, even if I were to wear a dress watch, it wouldn't have Roman numerals. I'm not a big Roman numerals fan. Don't worry, it's not you, it's me. I'm the quirky one. But let's have some fun with the Heritage Rose Gold. I like that right away, the rose gold. I like that. I think I'm accessorizing pretty good. I got the black shirt on, I got my Ray-Bans on, gold, gold frame. Yeah, for starters, it's a cool design. First off, glances. 38mm rose gold, actually octagonal, made of steel and titanium. Pretty lightweight too. Wait to hear the results of the full package when I weighed it in. And it has that DLC coating on that titanium steel case. I like that. Brushed and polished lines, a good balance of both, kind of softens up, and you know what? It's not too blingy, but does she still pop under the lights? Whew! I'll post the specs there for you. You can check them out at your leisure, probably over here or maybe over here. Show you some good images so you can make a decision as to whether or not it's going to work for you. Hopefully you can get a good feeling on it. It's a comfortable wear, and I like it. Nice, not too thick either. 11mm for that case height. And across the wrist, we're looking at only 46mm lug to lug, which is great. A wide range of wrists are going to be able to accommodate this one. And we do have an integrated lug design for this leather strap that comes with it. Rather unique lug build. The span across is 22, which is what we're used to kind of for a lot of watch designs, unless my eyes are deceiving me, but there are screw down pins inside that lug connection. Added security there. This thing's not going to break, I don't think. At least more stability than maybe the natural spring bars. And I'll show you the exhibition case back that it comes with too, so you can see this premium Miyota movement inside. And it's got sapphire on the front and the back with AR coating as well to give you that nice clear visibility. A full package weight of 81 grams. Seriously. Thanks maybe to the, in part to that titanium, but that is awesome. 81 grams for a full kit. And for a dress watch, 100 meters of water resistance still, not bad right there. Check. Some dress watch designs, you'd be lucky, it may be a stroke of luck if you even get 50 meters of water resistance, right? Or maybe splash resistant or whatever, but the octagonal design is also passed on to the push-pull crown there at the 3 o'clock position with the Belvans fleur-de-lis logo known as the Crown of Lily on it as well. Now the dial is called the Musso black dial. It's dark black. It's like almost pitch black. Acts as a good backdrop for the contrasting gold on top there. Everything pops off of that naturally, right? I mean, the color is said to absorb like 94% of light, which is great. Allows you to kind of focus in on the hands and everything. I like it. It's overall plain and simple. Bam. Signed with Belvans at the 12. That's all you need. You got Roman numerals all the way around to the 12. I understand, no problem. A 3-hand movement, sword-style hands with a large gold seconds hand. And if you look closely at that seconds hand, it is the Eiffel Tower design. Is that not awesome or what? I like the simple elegance. Even if the numbers are not my first choice of a watch design, the overall look seems to work and match the aesthetic. So I think it works for me. It has a rich, powerful presence, and on my wrist even, and in my opinion, it looks more expensive than it is. Now, we have a premium movement inside, the 8315 automatic winding movement by Miyota. We have a 60-hour power reserve, and the exhibition case back allows you to see that movement inside with all the custom, fleur-de-lis rotor design there, the Crown of Lily design built into that rotor. It's awesome. You can see the jewels, you can see the blue screws. I mean, mind you, with my vision, you need to have, a macro lens, but still, you can see that stuff. It's pretty decent. Everything just looks good. The finishing, everything just, it works. Now, with the strap there, with the black genuine leather strap, with the integrated connection at the lug, It's handcrafted Italian leather. Why wouldn't it be? You want quality, right? And you never regret buying quality. But you also want that strap to match the design of the watch. Like, it has a real high class look. I'll tell you, although not something I would wear every day, I feel pretty good that this thing on the wrist is going to be a nice experience for you too. Now, the strap has a nice taper to it from that 22 millimeters at the connection for the lug down to 20 millimeters, right? So it's relatively thick still, all the way through to that pin and buckle closure signed with that crown of lily as well in that bronze colorway. I've really enjoyed my time with it. I mean, the specs are right there in a medium range that will apply to men, women, doesn't matter. Anyone can have a lot of fun with this design. Who's it going to be for? Business professionals, working professionals, people who on the go. It's going to be for a lot of different individuals who just like to have a little bit of fun and, throw something that looks really snazzy and classy on the wrist. Maybe you got to go out to dinner. Maybe you have a business meeting. Maybe you got to do something with the spouse. At an $1,183 Canadian price point, the BELVANS Heritage Rose Gold is coming in quite competitive there. There are options too, as well as when you make your selections online at belvans.com, you can navigate through and find the currency that's going to work for you. So it shows you exactly how much it's going to cost in your own country's currency. That's special. Now, who's it for, right? I mean, anyone really, when you think about it. A casual dress design that looks good may start a conversation or two, especially for business people. People hitting the town, smart casual for dinner, working professionals, doesn't matter. Maybe you just like that vintage casual classic dress look. It could still work with jeans and a t-shirt, doesn't matter. But it has style, it has some really good looks to it, sophistication. Whoever puts it on the wrist, you know what? I can guarantee you someone's going to say something. I like it. Even though dress watches aren't my first choice, I like it, I would wear it. And like Amy says, there's a lid for every pot. It's all going to come down to what you like. The Heritage Rose Gold by BELVANS Watch Company. A lot of class and a well-executed design. And if you like the design, but maybe the rose gold is not your cup of tea, we have it available in gold and silver color options as well. Yeah, that's right. Different color options for you. All the designs and the assembly are done in France, and there is also personalization offered for customers as well. Overall, a good job. Well done. One little thing that I picked up on was the sound. I found that it was a little bit noisy on the wrist. Like you can hear that rotor inside and feel that rotor inside, right? Doesn't bother me too much, but I just thought I would share that with you as well. I'm Ross. I hope you were able to get a feel for the Heritage design. Let me know which color option you would prefer. Comment below and leave a comment and let me know what you think about the Heritage Rose Gold. That's my time. Thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate all the support. Do all those fancy things. Keep the algorithm going. And we're going to see you on the next one.